Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to block someone in your Twitter account. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have already logged into your Twitter account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your Twitter app. Here we go. At the bottom, you will be seeing different options. Go to the search option. At the top, you will be seeing that search bar. Type there the name of a person you want to block. Now the person relating to that name will appear. Choose the person's ID. His or her profile will appear. Now at the top right corner, you will be seeing three dots. Tap on that. Here different options will appear. Choose the option block. Tap on block. In this way, you can easily block someone in your Twitter account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.